natural disaster on Earth, the earthquake.
Today, we're talking about natural phenomena that can strike at any moment. Earthquakes.
Living in the Philippines, we know how culture to be prepared.
Let's dive into what you need to do before an earthquake strikes.
Secure your surroundings. Bolt down heavy furniture like bookshelves and cabinets.
Make sure heavy objects are on high shelves where they can fall.
Create an emergency kit. This should include water, lanterns or wood food, a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, a whistle and a battery-powered radio.
Don't forget copies of important documents and some cash.
Identify a safe spot in your home, school, or workplace.
Stay sturdy tables or desks where you can drop, cover, and hold on. Also, know the unsafe spot like near windows, outside doors, or walls.
Your head and neck with arms and get under a supporting piece of furniture, like table or desk. If no shelter is available, drop to an inside and next to low-lying furniture.
Shelter until the shaking stops. Be prepared to move with your shelter if it shakes.
If you're outdoors, move to an open area from buildings, power lines, and trees.
If you're in a vehicle, pull over to clear location and stay inside until the shaking stops.
Shaking has stopped, but the danger isn't over. Know what to do after an earthquake.
And others for injuries. Administer first aid if needed.
Be prepared for aftershocks. They can be just as strong as the main quake.
If you're inside, carefully check for structural damage, gas leaks, and down outlets.
If you suspect a leak, open windows and evacuate immediately.
Need to evacuate, follow designated evacuation routes and listen to emergency personnel.
Prepared is just about individual action. It's about community effort. Here's how you can
Participate actively in government earthquake drills and community preparedness programs.
The more we practice, the more resilient we become.
An awareness campaign. Share what you learned today with your friends, family, and neighbors. Spread the word about earthquake safety.
Voluntary evacuation or relief operations if you have the capacity and have received proper training. Every helping hand makes a difference.
Unpredictable, but their impact doesn't have to be devastating if we are prepared.
Let us commit not being earthquake ready. For ourselves, our families, and our communities, stay safe and stay strong.
I'm Project B. Andigam.
And I'm Zed Alexander Valiente.
I'm the sovereign.
And I'm Angela Feliz Alvaro.
I'm Rashmi Mabalcon.
And I'm Fergalio. I'm Lilis Anthony.
And